oops, some 2-in-1 gray primer. Okay, it's 4603. We're gonna end up shooting this entire fender and those caps. We're gonna respray, or not even respray, but primer the entire fender here and on that side. And then if we still have more left over, because I hear that stuff sprays a lot and very good, we may just respray the entire car. But also I am going to be doing the entire trunk. One, I just want everything primered, and also money is pretty tight. As you guys know, paint jobs are not cheap. It is expensive, and yeah, I only make so much money. So I think if the car was at least all one color, even if it was primer gray, it'll make me feel a little bit better driving it. So instead of having, you know, gray and black and white and blue, it'll just look a lot better, all just one color primer. Okay guys, so the haters got the best of me. We're gonna go wingless. So this is for sale. If any, I'm just kidding. Oh my God, no. I love this wing. However, I did need to remove it because, like I said, we are going to primer this, and I dropped another bolt here and another one there. So I'm gonna try to fish those out real quick. And then I think, yeah, this is already pretty much prepped, but I think I'm gonna hit it again with a little bit of a rougher grit, maybe 320, and primer it, because right now we're at 600. So for primer, I think we're gonna go ahead and hit it with 320 grit. And then to this shadow figure girl thing, in case you guys follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, she's gonna go bye-bye. Okay guys, so got the taillights off, got everything sanded, cleaned, and masked. Not too concerned of overspray, just because everything else still needs to be primered and cleaned properly and everything. So I'm not really too concerned of overspray. However, this should be fine. If we get some on the window, not a big deal. We'll clay bar it off. So I just threw some degreaser down, so I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. It's gonna be a little hard just because it is starting to get very windy and gloomy outside, so can't open this for long. So I have to quickly open it when we spray the back. It's gonna be a little difficult, but let's set you guys up. Let's get it primered. I've never used this before, so hopefully good things. Of course, it's gonna have to end up coming right back off for paint, but yeah, it just looks so much better. Like, one thing that was just bugging me about this car, like I said, was multicolored. You know, the hood's silver, the wide body part is white, the fender's black, and then you have sanded down gray. You know, then you had a blue trunk, and then, you know, again with that. But we got that taken care of, we got that. And look at how much different it already looks. So once we get all of this primered, and then if we still do have a lot of primer left, or maybe I'll buy another can, we'll probably hit the door and the quarter panel again, so everything is solid like this, because this primer, guys, comes out smooth. The old primer I was using, it didn't come out bad, but this is like butter, dude, like super, super mint. So we'll probably hit the whole car again, you know, and then at least then, even though it's not paint, the car at least will look better than what it does now, because I'm tired of looking at it like this, and I'm trying my hardest to save for paint. So at least this will look somewhat better than a multicolor car at least. Now look how good that looks. If we do the whole car, I'd be happy with not having paint for a bit, just so I can save. That looks really good. But one good thing about doing this is I now found a dent. Everything looks perfect, but if you look right here, there's a dent I had no idea about. So this will end up scuffing and putting a little bit of filler on, or maybe try to pull it. No, we'll probably just do filler and then re-primer pretty much that entire area. But nonetheless, there she is, boys. Guys, so I kind of just went to town on the car, and let me just show you. So we got this entire side done. So I decided to just pull the trigger and do it. So first we started off on the quarter panel, and then I was like, screw it. Pulled the mirror off, pulled the handle off, and look at that. See how much different it looks? It looks like an actual car now, I feel like. We've got the trunk, so this whole side is done. The trunk, everything. So to me now, I feel like this looks so much better, because as I keep saying, paint is expensive, guys, and driving around in a car that's multicolor and like 50 different shades of gray, it really does suck. So now, having it like this, it's much better. Got everything put back together, and man, check that out. Oh yeah. So I think what I am gonna do, guys, is the front bumper, I don't think we really need to hit the front bumper, just because that does have good primer down. The rear bumper we're gonna do, the other half we are gonna do, and then I don't know, maybe we'll hit this again. Not bad, but I think we are for sure gonna do the hood as well. And yeah, the one cool thing also about this primer, it's extremely smooth. I mean, like, really, it's butter. This is some good stuff. I keep saying that, but it really is. Alright guys, so it is actually Sunday now. I've decided to just go ahead and end this video here. Just because I don't really know what more to film at the moment. I'm not in the mood to really work on the car, so I'm gonna make another updated video on pretty much what it is I did today, and we'll get even more done. But however, actually, I did get a lot more done. Let me show you. So as you can see, we actually did get the hood and the entire side of the car. So all we have left are the front and rear bumper, and then this piece right here. But dude, check it out. So it all does still need some minor working. This area, we still have that thing there. The door actually looks good. We have some work that needs to be done here, right here. And then there's a spot up here somewhere, right here. And then the other fender has that dent that's right there. So there still is a bit of work to do, but dude, check that out. Oh my God. But also the other reason why I'm gonna end this video is because I have Tony's G35 outside that I'm also gonna be getting some more work done while he's out on vacation. So I'm gonna be getting some stuff done on his car. We'll probably make a video not entirely on just that, but I think we're gonna do a video on kind of getting some more stuff done with mine, and then also some stuff done with his. But again, just take a second. I tripped, and check that out, dude. I mean, it looks a lot more presentable now. Also, in case you guys didn't notice, the louvers are off. They may go back on, or we may sell them. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think it looks really good with them off. It just looks really, really slick. But anyways, yeah, so rear bumper, front bumper, and the pillars right there. And the entire car is primered, and it looks so presentable, it looks so good. And then also I need to get these still done. I'm not sure if these are gonna go on or not yet anymore, to be honest. I might make a mold out of it. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll use this as a mold and then make something better and then mold it to the front bumper. But we'll see. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please make sure to leave a thumbs up if you guys like how it looks. Also, please leave a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And subscribe if you guys not already. I'm really trying to hit 4,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So my ultimate goal was to hit 5,000, but that's kind of a long shot. That's, what is that? That's like 1,400 more subscribers. So instead, I guess we're gonna hit, or try to hit 4,000. So please, please, please help your boy out. Subscribe if you're not already. Let's hit 4K. And stay tuned, guys, because this thing is just dope. I'm so happy with how it's looking, and a lot more good stuff to come. So I hope to catch you all there. Until next time, as always, peace out.